Hi everyone, I'm Tanya Roberts, Sales Manager at Interstate Signways, one of the leading manufacturers of highway signage in the United States. Welcome back to our How We Make It series, where we give you a behind-the-scenes look at how we fabricate your signs. Today, I want to highlight a key piece of equipment that is vital in our increment panel manufacturing process. Let's take a look at Interstate's cut-to-length line, the most capable piece of equipment in the sign fabrication industry. Interstate is committed to building your increment panel signs with quality and per the specifications you provide. Our cut-to-length line and the professional team that operates it work in harmony to fulfill that commitment. First, the coil is loaded onto the tilt table, where it will be maneuvered to the spool and then locked into place. Next, the coil will be manually unspooled until it reaches the leveler. Since our aluminum arrives at our facility in coils, it is the leveler's job to straighten the metal. After the metal exits the leveler, it makes its way to the shear, where it is cut to the specified length according to the cut list. Once the metal is cut, it travels down the conveyor belt to be stacked, ready for the next process. These aluminum blanks go onto our in-house dip tank to be cleaned and etched before being assembled. The coil line is an impressive piece of equipment that enables us to provide quality increment panel signage. If you have any questions about our cut-to-length process, or if you need help purchasing certified regulatory and warning signs on our online store, please reach out. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of How We Make It, and thank you again for being the most valuable part of Interstate.